Ehurreji nemwe aharyebyo ebitebeekanisiibwe obwe obukama bwa Tooro buri kwetebeekanisa okuza amazarwa ago mukama wa Tooro oyo nyimba kabamba iguru rukiduwakana.
We are targeting children who are them so that they are young, who can change their future when we correct their deformities and they are able to compete in school, in class, in sports, even for spouses. So that is the message.
Okurijirira ahabatebeekanisa ehurreji egenderire kutereza amaguru g'abaana abazirwe bine bitege hamwe n'ebindi bizibu eby'amaguru.
Director, I'm impressed. Your hospital is good. We have come from far. In your operating room, I find patient monitors. It's exciting. When we are operating every child, every patient, we are seeing how the heart is working, how it's breathing. Where we came from, we didn't have that.
Dr. Adaku Alex, or Director w'irwariro rihango erya Fort Portal aho kushemezoku kubire asimere obukama bwa Tooro ahabwo kukwatanisa na n'irwariro okuretaho obuherezo obu.
In my presence, this is now the third time I'm witnessing this collaboration. These partnerships, let it continue to grow.
The King loves the young ones, he loves the children, the youth, and for him to go out, he told us we should not make parties, not drinks, cakes and what have you, but all he needs is to see that people have healthy lives.
Bamwe abazaire b'abaana abakozirweho basimere obukama ahabwa entebeekanisegi.
Ndongoya kwasire kyasemeza kundi omwana wange hati nifuranye n'emirembe n'obusinge mwebale muno
bamusemiza okuguru ndora ali kurungi aweka amazi bakamuha plasta baitu ndora okuko na kuzabisa kurungi na imura n'ikara.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Agacencwire.